think I've tried a little bit of everything here, starting off as a student for baking and pastry. What really intrigued me about Johnson & Wales was the upside-down curriculum. I could come here and kind of just jump right in and do the things that I love immediately. Eventually, I went from baking and pastry into food marketing, so I decided I wanted to try more of the front of the house kind of business side of things. Got a chance to work with so many different kinds of companies and people, and then I decided to come back. I think my experience here really made me want to give that to other students and making sure that we could support them and give them those opportunities. So I started actually as an internship coordinator. I'm a first-generation student, so I didn't have a lot of support. I had to figure it out. But I feel like once I came here, I had guidance and really was able to blossom and try new things. So I was looking forward to giving that back to students. I had the opportunity to be a career advisor. I was able to teach classes, and then fast forward a couple of years, post-COVID, and I came back as an instructional designer, really understanding the backside of course development and design, and now I'm the director of professional training. So JWU Pro is actually Johnson & Wales' brand new division where we offer professional training to organizations and individuals, but it really gives accessibility to folks in a non-credit way. What we'll do is we'll actually partner and work with our expert faculty as well as industry partners to put together programming that speaks directly to that audience. So it's very custom. I think working with companies is something we've always done. We have really strong partnerships in the industry, but now this is another chance for us to be able to serve them with needs that they have and repurpose our education specifically for industry.